If I gave you a choice right now, $1 million in cash or 1 million loyal followers, which would you take? Most people say the money. I take the followers, and I'll explain why. Your followers are your future currency. We live in a world where attention is the most scarce resource, and whoever controls attention controls value. And look at Mr. Beast. He gives away millions in his videos, but the reason he can do that is because of one thing: audience. He has hundreds of millions of followers who watch, who trust, who click. Brands pay him millions, not because he's Mr. Beast the businessman, but because he owns attention. Stephen Bartlett said the same in Diary of a CEO. His audience has opened more doors than money ever could. That's why I say followers are the new currency. 10 years ago, I worked in a radio station. I got paid to create content. Every month, money came in. Now, it's the other way around. I'm paying money to build this channel. Cameras, microphones, editors, it's all investment. I don't earn money from YouTube yet. I spend money to create an audience. And that's the point. I see audience as the best investment you can make today, just like buying property 20 years ago or Bitcoin 10 years ago. Building an audience today will pay off in the future. And here's a simple example. Imagine two people applying for the same role in my company. Same skills, same CV, but one has 5 million followers. Who do you think I'll choose? I'll pay 3 times more for the person with the audience because they don't just bring skills, they bring leverage. They bring a ready-made community. And Steve Jobs said it best: marketing is about values. If your audience already trusts your values, everything you touch grows faster. So if someone on my team says, to their 5 billion followers, I'm working with Interior app, check this out, that's exposure money can't buy. That's why audience is absolute power. And in 5, maybe 10 years from now, I believe audience will matter more than cash. Money can buy ads, but money can't buy trust. And once you earn it, people will follow you anywhere. Look at how Taylor Swift moves millions of fans to new platforms, new albums, even new political ideas. That's not money, that's audience as currency. Or think of The Rock. He can launch tequila, fitness brands, movies, and succeed in all of them because his audience follows him, not because he's the best actor in the world. This is the future. Audience first, everything else follows. Now let me be clear. I'm not talking about fake bots or fake likes. That's worthless. I get spam every single day. We'll get you 10,000 subscribers overnight. No, that's noise. Real audience is people, real humans, people who choose to click follow because they believe in you, because you gave them value. That's the currency I'm talking about. So here's my challenge for today. Don't just scroll, don't just watch, start creating. Build your own audience. Because one day, that audience will be your biggest leverage. It will get you jobs, it will get you partnerships, it will open new doors. And I'll tell you again, as a business owner, if you bring me skills and an audience, I'll pay you more because you bring more value. And Musk uses it. Jobs understood it. Mr. Beast lives on it. Taylor Swift and The Rock prove it. And you can build it, not tomorrow, not next year, but start today. And if you believe this, subscribe to our channel. Comment below. Do you think followers will become more valuable than money in the future? And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share this video with them. Let's grow together.